Hey, my name is Connor and welcome to Crypto Empire, where I show you how to dominate in the crypto markets. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some very bullish news for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole. It's very important that you know this information because I believe that we are headed towards the most parabolic run we have ever seen before. So buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride and let the gains be with you. If you're new to Crypto Empire, welcome to the channel. I'm pumped that you're here. Now, before we get into why I'm so bullish on crypto, some news, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment on this video, turn that notification bell on, and make sure you turn on all notifications as well. So let's start this video off by taking a look at the markets. So Bitcoin is currently back up to 58,900, about 59K. We have ETH looking like it wants to poke over that 2K and create a new all-time high. BNB, Binance Coin, made a new all-time high today. The markets are going nuts. Now, how the money flows, if we just go to the Bitcoin chart, we'll go to the Bitcoin dominance chart. Bitcoin dominance is currently breaking down. We are at 59.5%. Haven't seen these levels since September when we had that alt pump. Some might call it the sucker's rally because this next altcoin season is going to blow that last one absolutely out of the water. But if we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price chart on a weekly, we are just up here in the stratosphere. We've been going sideways for a while. Honestly, I hope we continue to go sideways so that we can see this massive pump for alts, but it's looking really, really bullish right here, and I think we might be having an all-time high very soon. Reason why that is? Well, let's get into some news articles of why I'm so bullish. First of all, we got our guy Elon Musk saying he's going to put a literal Dogecoin on the moon. Dogecoin, much wow. Now, he tweeted SpaceX is going to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. Of course, everybody went crazy. If you look at the Dogecoin price chart, we can see it was just kind of range bound, and Elon tweeted, and we went up. If we take a measured move, we went up approximately 31% when Elon tweeted that he was going to put Dogecoin on the moon. Okay, so this was kind of like an April Fool's joke from our guy Elon. Elon has so much influence, it's not even funny. We have people out there that literally worship Elon Musk, and they look at him like he's some kind of otherworldly figure. Look, Elon's a guy just like me and you. We all piss yellow and put our pants on one leg at a time, okay? But Elon is a genius, and I definitely appreciate what he's doing. But when he tweets, it has a major influence on the markets. As we know, Bitcoin is accepted by Tesla for cars. That's recent news as well. So Elon is doing a lot for the cryptocurrency industry, and his tweets alone can pump the market. Keep that in mind. Okay, let's look at our next piece of news. Morgan Stanley files to offer Bitcoin exposure through institutional funds. So on March 31st, yesterday, Morgan Stanley revealed that a number of its institutional funds are seeking to offer exposure to Bitcoin. This exposure would be indirectly through cash-settled futures or through investments in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So we got one big bank, another one wanted to offer Bitcoin to its clients. I wonder why. I'll tell you why. It's basic. The clients are asking for it. They're demanding it, or they're going to take their business elsewhere. So these big banks, they move at a dinosaur rate. They take forever to adapt. That's just how the legacy financial system is in general. But these banks are now saying, okay, if we don't offer our clients exposure to Bitcoin, we're going to lose them as clients. So what do? Obviously, they bend. They flip all their previous opinions that they've been saying for years, saying how bad Bitcoin is and how it's worthless and garbage. No, they flip like a fish out of water because they want to keep their clients, okay? Also, we got Goldman Sachs. Goldman. Ooh, Goldman. All right. Look, Goldman used to be the top dogs. They still are the top dogs, but not for long because we have Bitcoin now. Okay, so Goldman Sachs to offer Bitcoin in second quarter. Again, they're going to be offering Bitcoin to their wealthy, high net worth individuals and clients through trusts. The move comes amid an increased institutional interest in Bitcoin and the crypto's meteoric ascent of late. So they also said they're going to be offering other cryptos to their wealth management clients in the second quarter. So Goldman, again, they flop like a fish out of water. It's one day, for years and years and years, they're saying Bitcoin is horrible. Oh, they switched. Of course they did. They had no option to. Okay, Bitcoin is the future. Bitcoin is here to stay. These legacy financial institutions, the big banks, they have access to the money printer, but they know that that is coming to an end. So they have no option but to take Bitcoin in because it is really the only alternative for our decaying fiat financial system. This system is broken. I've talked about this in my previous videos, but We know what's going on. We see behind the curtain. The show's over. Bitcoin is here to stay. These big banks have no option but to adopt Bitcoin and offer it to their clients. All right, let's move on. Let's talk about Coinbase and their direct listing that's going to be happening on April 14th. So Bitcoin is the OG US cryptocurrency exchange, and they're going to be going public on April 14th. Now, they are expecting $100 billion valuation at the time of its initial public offering. So that is pretty massive. This is going to be a huge, huge deal for all of crypto, because when Coinbase goes public, everybody's going to want to get their Coinbase stock, and everybody's going to be talking about the release. Everybody's going to be going on Coinbase. They already don't have it on their phone. They're going to download the Coinbase app and start buying crypto with it. It's just more exposure for the entire industry. Coinbase is one of the biggest exchanges in the world, especially here in the United States. So this is a very big piece of news that is finally happening. If you are looking to invest in stocks as well as crypto, it would make sense to invest in crypto stocks because Bitcoin is the best performing asset over the last decade, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. So if you don't want to buy crypto, you might as well buy some stock that pretty much sells crypto. Everything in your portfolio needs to have some crypto in it, okay? Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but crypto is definitely changing a lot of people's lives financially. It's making the world a better place. This technology can be used for good, and it can be used for evil as well. So fortunately, we the people actually started using this technology first, and we're changing the world for the better with it, okay? Bitcoin is amazing technology. Okay, moving on to our next piece of news. Bitcoin closes 6 monthly green candles for the first time since 2013. So we've been having an amazing run recently. 2013 was a little tiny blip, and now this run we're seeing now, this is going to be a little tiny blip as well. If we go to this is a weekly, yeah. So see how the 2017 bull run is a little blip on the chart right now? This is how the current bull run is going to be right here. Okay, this is going to be a tiny blip. But keep in mind, we will have a bear market again. No bull market lasts forever. So expect huge drawdowns like we had last March, where Bitcoin was trading at about 9,000 to 7,000 and it dropped down to 3,400 in a day. ETH went down to like $80. Litecoin was like $30. Amazing fire sale. I did actually get some on that day. I remember like it was yesterday when that happened. I was like, oh my, this is the golden opportunity right now. Let's go. So expect bear markets, expect down moves in your portfolio up to 50, 60, 70, even 80% possibly. But right now it's up only, as you can see, for Bitcoin, 6 monthly green candle closes in a row. This is very, very bullish here. You can see on the chart, up only, no red there. And so according to Bloomberg strategist Mike, Bitcoin could be trading for more than 400K by 2022. Look, Mike, I love that prediction, but I think you're being a little bit conservative there. 1.2 million is my price prediction because I think we are going to experience the Bitcoin supercycle and experience hyper Bitcoinization as well. There's estimated to only be about 2 million Bitcoin available right now on exchanges. So if every millionaire in the world, I believe there's about 46 million millionaires or something like that, if every millionaire in the world wanted to buy it, they can only buy 5 million Satoshis each. We are experiencing extreme supply shortage for Bitcoin right now. If you don't have Bitcoin yet, you need to get some for your own sake and for your family's sake, because this is the most scarce, valuable asset in the world. Yes, the opportunity to make crazy gains is in altcoins, but if you don't own any Bitcoin at all, you don't want to get caught with the tide going out wearing no bathing suit, as Warren Buffett said. I know he's not big bullish on crypto, but he is an age-old successful investor and he has a lot of wisdom. So some of his quotes are still relevant, but I disagree with him that Bitcoin is rat poison. Bitcoin is not rat poison. It is the most scarce, valuable asset in the world. Make sure you got some Bitcoin in your HODL portfolio that you don't plan on selling, because it will make you a very happy, healthy, wealthy man or woman in the future. Okay, April Bulls Day. Bitcoin just closed its best March in Q1 in 8 years. So March has historically been a very bearish month for Bitcoin. Here we can see the Bitcoin guy flexing his guns. We just had an awesome Q1. All right, new all-time highs all throughout. Now we're in Q2. Q2 is going to be absolutely insane for Bitcoin and, more importantly, for altcoins. So Bitcoin has already raised 103% in the price in Q1. We'll see if we can 2x that. We'll see if we can go 200% in Q2. We'll see what happens. But again, my focus is on altcoins right now. That Bitcoin dominance is dropping. but everything is just pointing upwards right now. There's a lot of top signals. All these celebrities are talking about Bitcoin. We got the Teletubbies. We got Chipotle talking about Bitcoin. It's just like top signals everywhere, but you can't stop it at this point. There's only 21 million Bitcoin, okay? 21 million, 8 billion people on the planet. Only a certain few amount of billionaires, certain few amount of millionaires. Not everybody can own one full Bitcoin. Not everybody can even own half a Bitcoin right now because the supply is not going to get sold. If you sell your Bitcoin, you might be a little bit crazy, okay? And then we got BlackRock. They made 360 Bitcoin futures since January, according to their SEC filing. So BlackRock has a total of $8.6 trillion managed. They only allocated a minimal percentage of that $8.6 trillion into Bitcoin. However, this is the world's biggest asset manager, and they are in Bitcoin. We got Goldman, we got Morgan Stanley, major institutions, insurance firms, billionaires, millionaires, everybody is buying Bitcoin. Don't be left out. Don't be naive. Get some. Put it somewhere where you're never going to sell it and live your life. Go about your life. Go about your job. Be good to your loved ones. Be a good person. Be honest. Be real. And the truth will always rise above water. Bitcoin is here to stay. It is absolutely changing the world. I'm fired up if you couldn't tell. April is going to be an amazing month for cryptocurrency. And alts are going to go absolutely parabolic, in my opinion, not financial advice. But if you like this video, make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these news articles that I shared. Let me know your opinion. I did enough talking in this video. And also comment what kind of content you want to see from me in the future. My name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and we will see you in the next video.